What's up? Welcome back to Cooking with my cookbook authors. Today we're cooking up some ceviche with Professor Robert Bradley. Let's make some ceviche.
Sure.
So this probably isn't quite as fresh as the fish in Peru, but I do have some red snapper here.
It's great too.
I've cut your recipe down to about a quarter because it's just me, so I got about half a pound of red snapper here. Then I got my sliced red onions real thin, as instructed. I got my diced cilantro.
Great.
Probably a little too much there, but it's all right. Lime juice. Got a little under half a cup here.
That should be more than enough. Yeah.
More than enough. And I have a habanero to garnish with. Or dice it up and toss it in there.
Yeah, no, habanero. Yeah, actually, habanero is a South American pepper.
We're just gonna dump this lime juice on, yeah?
Yeah, I wouldn't put all of it. Yeah, a little more.
In we go. A little more. There we go.
Yeah,
use about half.
You can't ruin fresh fish. It's kind of hard. The only thing you can do is cover it up too much. I mean, especially if it's really, really fresh.
And how long do we let it sit in there?
Well, I mean, that's the funny thing. Not long. But I mean, I try to do it as quickly as possible. Just get it, throw in the onions.
Onions going in.
Yeah, mix that up. Maybe add a little bit more juice, some salt, touch of pepper. Right. Like, typically white pepper would be better. And then I'd put hot pepper in.
All right, salt's going in there.
That's good.
And pepper paste, little dibby dab. All right, a little in there, and then go ahead and throw my cilantro in too.
I would put a little cilantro. Cilantro is pretty much good on anything. And what, the habanero?
Little kick, little zing, a little more color. Oh,
yeah, no, that's good.
All right, so I think that's it.
Yeah, I mean, simpler is better. It's always better.
All right, I'm trying the ceviche. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, I wish you could try it with me.
Yeah, I wish I could too.
Here we go. Red snapper, Peruvian ceviche.
It's just simplicity.
Oh, that is way better than I possibly could have thought it was going to be.
Yeah, no, it's delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thank you, Rashawn. It's a pleasure.
Awesome ceviche recipe in that book. Highly recommend. I'm going to eat some more. Cheers. Hey, would you like to win a free copy of Eating in Peru? Go to the On the Check YouTube page with Sean Parker. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment on the podcast Eating Peru. The first 100 subscribers to comment are entered to win. Go get it.